Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing another Moroccan appetizer. This one is just like Zaalouk, but it is made with cabbage instead of eggplant and peppers.
What you'll need is a medium cabbage, thoroughly washed and thinly cut or sliced, 5 to 6 tablespoons olive oil, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, about 3-4 tablespoons parsley. You can also add coriander, we just don't like it. Salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon of chili flakes or as you like, and half a teaspoon of pepper, and cumin. We separate cumin as we never add it with the spices because it will release a bitterness. So we use a steamer for this because this recipe is a steamed one. So the first step is we just put in the cabbage into the steamer. This looks like a big quantity, but you know, we have a small steamer, but at the same time with the heat it will just eventually like wilt a little bit. So now we just put it over medium heat, I guess. Just put it like this. This is just over a medium heat and we're gonna put it for about 20 minutes. We initially will cover it, but like we have to wait for it to boil down because, you know, just to level it up. So after exactly 25 minutes, as you can see, the quantity has wilted. So now we just turn on heat. Over medium heat, we add in the oil, as well as the garlic. And we just wait until we smell the garlic, until it releases a fragrance. We don't saute, we just need it to like release a smell and a fragrance. We add in the parsley. And if you have the coriander, now is the time to add it too. We'll add in the spices now. And we saute. Add in the cabbage. So now we just mix it in until like it's evenly incorporated. So after the cabbage has absorbed all the spices, after all the spices are incorporated, we just add in the cumin and we mix it, and we just mix it for like 2-3 minutes and then we can serve it. So this is what it looks like. This is the final product. You can squeeze a little bit of lemon on top of it if you know, like the acidity or like the sourness, the tanginess, if you like that tangy flavor. I think that it'd be better if you like eat it warm because like cold cabbage, I don't think it will give off a good texture or flavor. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to support me and motivate me to make more videos as I really enjoy making them. Share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.